Hey you! Are you a real gamer? Let's find out! Because today, I'm playing three mystery sounds that only true gamers will recognize. If you guess all three right, you're officially a gaming legend. Alright, here's how it works. I'll play a sound, and you have to guess which game it's from. Type your answer in the comments as fast as you can. Are you ready? Let's go!
Ha ah ha.
So, how many did you get right? If you guessed all three, type I'm a pro gamer in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more fun challenges only here on Trills and Giggles. See you next time, and remember, only true gamers hear the call.